Yes, like Morgan said, I am Arion. I have been in social media since 2020, in all different avenues, UGC, digital products, network marketing, affiliate marketing, and all the things. So I feel like I have done a lot of trial and error of what works, what doesn't work, and honestly, that's something that is constantly changing in the world of social media. So I just want to share like what has been working for me and how to simplify this process as much as possible because I feel like for a lot of people, it you hold yourself back because you're over analyzing what you need to do and all that. So we're going to fix all of that. First thing I'm going to say is just start messy and you will build confidence as you go. You don't need to be perfect starting off because you will not be. Mindset that you need to have is that if you keep waiting to feel ready, then you'll keep waiting. You're not going to start. If you compare yourself to other people and how their content is and trying to show up like someone else, then that is what's going to hold you back and you're not actually going to start and you're not going to be able to make progress, right? So confidence doesn't come first, it comes from showing up. You're going to have to fail fast. You're going to have to post and maybe not like what you posted and learn from that, learn from your analytics and all that stuff. But none of that is going to come if you don't show up. If you are restarting or if you are just new to content, keep it simple in the beginning. Don't try to make those aesthetic day in the life videos and all that type of stuff that you see other people doing because one, they have a following that is dedicated to who they are, and if you're starting off, you do not have that. And to be completely honest, nobody cares. Like, we care, but other people, they don't care about your day in the life video because they don't know who you are yet. You need to get them invested in you first. So you don't need fancy edits, you don't need aesthetic perfection, and you don't need years of experience. To start off and make it super, super simple that anybody can do this, whether you have a busy schedule or whatever you have going on in your life, start with short clips, also known as B-roll, which I will explain later, and simple text on screen and consistency. So you can literally record anything. Record you doing your skincare, you can record makeup, you can record you walking to your car, things that you are already doing in your day. Just get an Octobuddy, stick your phone to something, and just record what you are doing. And you don't have to record with the intention of this clip is for X, Y, and Z. Just record it and you'll figure all that other stuff out later. You already have what you need to be successful on social media and start making momentum. You don't need a perfect setup, you don't need a big following, and you don't need expensive equipment. What's missing isn't resources, it's the action. How to start posting. Like I said, film those small moments of your day, whatever that may be, and then add simple text on screen, which again, I will get to later, but just simple, relatable. You want it to be relatable. Post it and then do it again tomorrow. So no, you don't have to post every single day if that's not realistic for your schedule. And then that's how you build momentum. The algorithm starts to pick up on the fact that you are posting and you're posting regularly, and it starts to push your stuff out to other people. We are going to do our action step. So we are going to create and post a reel, and then we're going to write down 3 more ideas and post them this week. So for example, let's watch this. So shot 1, she set up her camera, and then this one, she's working from home, a mirror shot, overhead shot, just stirring her drink, working, even if you're not actually working, just typing on your computer, getting little shots like that and just having them in your camera roll so that you can use them later on for multiple different content. And what I love about B-roll is that you can use the same video over and over and over. Nobody notices. It's completely fine. Of course, you may not want to do it back to back, but you can use the same video over and over. So B-roll basically is just small everyday clips of your life, like making coffee, getting ready, walking, or working. And it doesn't have to be perfect or planned out. You can capture it in little snippets of time throughout your day. So when you're getting ready for work, you can just set up your camera and get B-roll. And like I said, the best part is that you can reuse those same clips over and over with different text on top to create new content in under 5 minutes. Okay, so your turn. I have two examples on the side of little B-roll clips. So me and my husband were getting pizza and he was praying over our food like he always does. And I got a cute little clip of that. And now I can use that same video over and over and I already have. And then this one, we were getting ready to leave to a friend's birthday party and I just wanted to get a cute little video and he happened to like jump in my video. And that was perfect because I was able to add this text on top. Like the video itself was cute, but adding that extra layer just gave it even more meaning. Like, this is your sign to allow God to write your love story. And that one did pretty good on TikTok. And I got like a lot of comments about that and just people invested in our story, right? So this is your assignment right now. Go to your camera roll and find a clip of you that you can use of doing your makeup, your skincare, or whatever it is. And then I have made this super simple for you where the text is right there. So you can put, I heard a quote that said, the way you show up for your life is the way your life will show up for you. And you can put that over a skincare, whatever video you have. Or you can choose, I heard a quote that said, showing up for yourself, even on the days you don't feel like it, is how your life starts to change. And then the next one, I heard a quote that said, your life changes when you start showing up for yourself. So you can choose one of those variations and maybe even all three with three different videos and save those in your drafts.